Acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by small g. Now, what is it? When a body is dropped from certain height, then what is found? Its velocity goes on increasing every second. At first, when it was in our hand, at this time, its velocity is zero. We can say 0 meter per second. But in every second, its velocity goes on increasing when it is dropped. At the end of 1 second, in average, its velocity is found to be 9.8 meter per second. But at the end of second, its velocity is found to be 19.6 meter per second. This is the average value. And at the end of third second, its velocity is found to be 29.4 meter per second. What is this? Every second its velocity is increasing. What it means? If velocity increases every second, then that kind of motion is called accelerated motion. The body is in acceleration. Now, in every second what is found, the velocity is increasing by 9.8 meter per second. Here also in 1 second the increase is this minus this is 9.8 meter per second. This is the trend of a freely falling body. Now, what is then acceleration? Acceleration means the rate of change of velocity. I mean to say, change of velocity in unit time is called acceleration. Here, the acceleration means what? Change of velocity in unit time here also. But this change is because of the gravity force. Acceleration produces on a body because of applied force. But when a body is dropped, we are not applying any force at all. Then how the body is accelerating? It is accelerating because earth is constantly applying the force on the body, due to which it is falling towards the center of the earth. That's why this acceleration is a little different than normal acceleration. Normally what we say, rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. What it means? Change of velocity in unit time. But acceleration due to gravity is defined this way. Acceleration developed on a freely falling body due to the gravity of the earth. Gravity of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. Now we have to mind one special word here, freely falling. Two special words, let's say. Freely falling. If a body is freely falling, then every second its velocity increases, due to which acceleration produces, and this acceleration is because of the gravity force of the earth, which is constantly acting on the body, and that's why this is called acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted by small g. And if you want to calculate how much it is, then you can use formula. The acceleration is generally rate of change of velocity. Change of velocity, initial is, let's say, u, final velocity is v, and time taken to gain this much change is, let's say, t. Then change of velocity will be v minus u, and in 1 second how much is the change can be found by dividing it by t, total time, and this is called rate of change of velocity in unit time. And this is acceleration, but this acceleration is particularly produced due to the gravity of the earth, and it is symbolized not by a, it is symbolized by g. Now we can calculate this. V, in this case, let's say this is the final velocity, 29.4 meter per second. and initial velocity is 0 meter per second, and time taken to gain this much velocity t is 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. That's why 3 second, and this is equal to this minus this becomes 29.4 meter per second and divided by 3, and 3 9 ja 27, 24 left, 3 8 ja. Now here we have 9.8. When 29.4 divided by 3, then we'll have 9.8 meter per second square. The average value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. In this case, air resistance is not considered, it is ignored.